Welcome to our nervous system journey, which is creating your life and your life experiences. And yes, you might be thinking that your brain directs your daily experiences. In fact, the way you move through the world, the stories about who you are, how the world works, what you do, and how you feel begins in your body with the autonomic nervous system. Your nervous system shapes your experiences of safety and connection and guides the way you navigate living, loving, and working. And yes, up until now, most of us have not been taught what the nervous system does and how it works. And without a basic understanding of this essential system, you are in the dark and missing opportunities to experience your days differently and live the life with greater ease and in more flow, creating the relationships that feel thriving, loving, and amazing. So this journey is very important. And what I want to emphasize here is that you are creating a relationship with your nervous system. And essentially, you're creating a newer understanding, a newer connection to who you are. You're creating a relationship with yourself. So that's why when we're working together and when you start doing your 21-day nervous system reset, so yes, in the beginning, it might feel like you're doing a checklist or to-do list. But essentially, I want you to see this practice and this nervous system work is you creating your manual for life. And you are the operator or the nervous system that is constantly for you there to support you. So I invite you on the journey of befriending your nervous system. Think about a close friend and recall how that relationship began and grew. You probably didn't know just much about each other when you met, and you formed the relationship anyway. And hopefully you like that friend, and that's what I invite you to do for yourself. So befriend yourself. Like yourself, like that friend that you're getting to know. So in becoming friends or befriending takes time and attention. So just keep that in mind. It's not instant. It takes time and attention. Each time you meet you, get to know each other a bit more. Discover how to talk to each other, how to understand and get to know each other's habits, likes. And because the relationship makes you happy, you experience those moments of connection and regulation and safety and love, then you find ways to stay in connection. Befriending your nervous system is a similar process. When you are introduced to your nervous system, you learn just a bit about its inner workings at first. The key is to stay curious about how it works and how you work with it. Eventually, you'll learn how to work together in the process of befriending. And of course, every friendship requires trust, communication, commitment, time spent in connection, care, compassion, and curiosity. It's possible to create that with your nervous system. It is your friend. And the exercises in the 21-day reset and also the exercises that we will be doing in our coaching relationship, they are designed to help you partner up with your nervous system and build those qualities while befriending your nervous system and all parts of yourself. When you befriend your nervous system, the inevitable challenges you face as you go through your days aren't quite as formidable, and you find you can navigate life more easily. The process of befriending is an ongoing journey of discovery. So, are you ready to start your journey? And use your map of creation. And every point that helps you understand yourself a little bit better, understand your nervous system response a little bit better, this become your point of I am here on the map. And when you know you are here on the map and you are befriending all parts of yourself and all the states of the nervous system, you become more empowered. You become more connected to the state of agency that you can take to create the life and experiences that you deeply desire. So that's why I know in my journey of connecting to my nervous system, how I saw myself, how I saw life, other people, opportunities, abundance, money, all of it, all of that has changed. Because your perception about yourself, life, relationships, money, love, all your perceptions, they actually do depend on what state of the nervous system that you are in. That's why it's not necessarily one is better than the other, but all the states, when you're befriending your nervous system, they're actually welcome, because all of those states, they're here to serve you and benefit you. And sometimes, yes, kind of happens in a wicked way. That's why when you start learning your operating system and also creating this self-soothing, self-regulated, and also mobilizing exercises, then it becomes a part of your life. So that's essentially what I help you create for yourself, this new lifestyle, new life experience, where it's not just a to-do list or a checklist, but it becomes a part of you that helps you come back to yourself, connect to yourself, befriend your nervous system, and then work in partnership in creating the life, relationship, and business that you not just know how to do, but you also know how to create that from the place of ease, flow, connection. So enjoy the journey.